So welcome everyone, welcome to the market analysis video for tomorrow. Let's see what market can do. So the what we have discussed in last video, that if market open in this range of the last day closing, if it is take support from here only, then we are going to initiate our trade. But it is open with a big gap up and it is not touched the support line. So to technically we didn't initiate any trade because we all know that market is now trading at over over buying zone. So and similarly bank nifty also, it has given a 44,900 above it is open. So there is no trade initiated according to our analysis. One thing I want to discuss, that India VIX, if you see that after many days it has given a very good momentum India VIX. And if I for better visuals, if I 1 week time frame, if I go to 1 week time frame, you will find that the relation between India VIX and the market is, whenever India VIX is up, market market become very volatile, and possibilities are market can show some profit booking, right? And when the India VIX is down, the market shows rally from bottom to top, covering this rally can happen. Why I'm saying this, if you see that before 2020 COVID crash, India VIX has rapidly grow up, and market has corrected from the top to bottom. And similarly from the after the corrections, when market had recovered, India VIX started falling down. So now it is consolidating. India VIX is consolidating for a while in the in a 8 to 11 zone. If it is given breakout of this 12 area, we can see volatility in upcoming days for sure. So let's move toward the Nifty. In Nifty we can see that it has in 15 minutes time frame, the rejection level, we have got some levels, the 19,350, this range 340 to 350. Now this will act as a resistance for us. Okay, so if we are planning for any buying opportunity, want to find some opportunity for buying only above this range, we are going to initiate any for above levels, initiate our trade for above levels. But for if you're planning for selling, there is also, if you see that there is also triangular kind of patterns it is forming. But there is multiple support, this low 280 300, this all can act as a support for upcoming days. But for safe layer, this 19,261, okay, below the 19,261 we can initiate our trade in Nifty for selling basis for upcoming days, for tomorrow especially. And our target, possible target, could be 19,200. In this area we should book a profit, and if you have holding multiple lots, then you can shift to SL2 in this range, and go for the target of 19,150, 140 to 150 in this range. Market can take support from here as well. Okay, and also there is a one trend line that you also can draw, this trend line. Below this you can initiate any trade. The first support you will can the stop loss of this high, you can initiate your trade. The first target will be 19,260, and below this range also possible target you will get that 203 to 119,140 to 150 in this range. So this is a simple analysis for us for Nifty. And let's move to the Nifty Bank. For Nifty Bank, the kind of similar analysis like Nifty, it is 44 5,350. This is a range, this is a high that it has make, and then a little bit of profit booking we have saw from the top. And now if we see that the suppose it has taken, that is around 45,040 area. Okay, so we are making it round off number. Let me draw rectangle box in this range. So this is the area. Only below this range we are going to initiate our selling for for tomorrow or upcoming days. And from the top also you will see that kind of this trend line acting as a resistance. Okay, so if market consolidate and make any negative pattern from the top, like here it has making, here it has taken rejections in a 5 minute, at least 15 minutes time frame. If it has making any rejections from the here in this range, you can go for a shot with a straight stop loss. Okay, but if open flat or gap down, I think also today in US market there is half trading day probably, and also tomorrow in US it is the holiday. So the momentum will be a little bit less, I am expecting. Let's see what happens. So below 45,000 level, we can initiate our short trading for Bank Nifty. Our target will be 45,800 to 817, this range. I'm rounding up this number, and below this 45,700 also will act as a very good support. Okay, so this is the analysis for Bank Nifty. Only below this 45,000 levels we are going to sell. Otherwise, we are no trading zone in this area. Also from here, you also can buy above this range also, but it is quite risky, I must say, because all the banks are looking little bit of profit booking. In the main stocks, exception the reliance on the big banks, and some of IT stock also showing some profit booking. So in Nifty, Bank Nifty go above the breakout levels, going for long, it is little bit of risky. So if you go you have to maintain your stop loss very tight. So above that you also can initiate your buying with the stop loss of today's closing this range 45,100, and you can play for the all the time higher in this range 45,200 to 350 in this range. Okay, so this is the also simple analysis for Nifty Bank, and we are going to sell only below this range because they are below this 45,100 level very very small range in this range. Market can take easy support from here. So let's move towards Nifty Finance. Nifty Finance also the same analysis, like the top it has made 20,397 or 400, and now it has consolidating in this range. So for tomorrow, 20,228, below this range we can initiate this consolidation area. Below this range we can initiate our selling. The upcoming target, the possible target will be 20,120, and below this gap you can find here. This gap also can be traded. Okay, the it will take very less time, and see the 15 minutes time frame you will find it is a consolidating in this range. So below the breakdown or breakout, you can, for breakout I'm not saying breakout go for above the in this range go for long, but above the all-time high 20,400 above you can go, but and below the with this level you can go for selling. This is a simple analysis for Nifty Finance. uh, okay, so let's move to the stock. The first stock that I have, that is ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank, you will see that let me see, this range was in previously this range was acting as a very good support for ICICI Bank, that is 940 this range, and today it has took support from here. Okay, and if you also can mark this consolidation range for ICICI Bank. So for selling only I'm planning in ICICI Bank tomorrow below the 941 level. You can play, you will get a very good opportunity for ICICI Bank, and the first target that you can get is around these candles to 936. Here you should book your profit, or you can shift your stop loss to the swing low, the swing market has, if market make anywhere here, so you can shift your stop loss, and the next target that you can go for is this 932, this range. Okay, if you see that also digit time frame, you will see it has the rejection, it has taken rejection from this area. Okay, and for buying I'm not considering ICICI Bank for buying. You will find other stocks for buying, but only for selling ICICI Bank we are considering only for selling. Okay, so the next stocks which I'm going to discuss, that is Infosys. Here I am planning for most both both side opportunity will get. So for selling, if you first talk about the selling, if Nasdaq or we get a bearish patterns for IT sector, very good opportunity we can get in Infosys. If you see that from the top you can mark pull, and this is a flag. Okay, after the breakout of this range we can initiate our in the downside movement, we can get very easily. Okay, and the levels, the high of the stop loss will be this range around 1334, this range, and below this we can get a very good target for upcoming days. The first target will be this low 1328, and the second possible target will be this 1323. Okay, if you mark that according to the flag and pull pattern, if you also can mark the top to bottom and find a target almost this range 1323, this is the range that is coming for Infosys. Okay, so this is the analysis for Infosys, and if you're also planning for buying, you can buy only above this this swing low. If you see that here is the swing, it has the rejection zone, you can say 1338. Above that only you can initiate your long trade and play for the above levels. Okay, and if you also want to see that it has given a very good movement in Infosys. Also, if you want to for the better confirmation, you can use trend based retracement. Okay, so below this range 1323, 1313, this range also will act as a very good support, and from here you can find a very good buying opportunity as well. Okay, if you see, let me mark the level also. This is the level. Ever in this range market anytime came, you also can find buying opportunity in ICICI Bank, sorry, in Infosys as well. Okay, and this is the analysis for Infosys. Let's move towards the next stock. The next stock, that is HAL. HAL, it is in 15 minutes time frame. It has HAL here also will get the both side opportunity. So first of all, let me mark the support area that is coming around in this range 3765, this range. If you see that it has taken multiple times support here, so whenever market break this range 15-minute candle closing, after 18-minute candle closing, you can play for these levels, the levels that is coming around 3720 in this range, 3720 to this is a long target. Okay, you should book your profit in this range. If you get a good volume below this range, you also can play for this 3670 in this range as well, this swing low that is coming around here. Okay, and of course, see, this is a very big target. So you should, if market came almost 2.3%, so if market came in this range, you should shift your stop loss and then go for this bottom target. Or if you're holding a single lot, then you should book your profit in this range. This is for bottom, for selling side. And for buying side also, you will get a very good opportunity. So you see from the top, if I mark this trend line, it is taking a very good support. Also, if you see that this is a pole, flag and pole kind of pattern, bullish flag and pole patterns. And so from here also you will get a very good target above the breakout level. The level is coming around 36, this range high, this swing high. You get a very good target here. And here also, the reversal trade you also can take. If it's making a reversal patterns, then for day after tomorrow you will find a better opportunity also for selling in HAL. Okay, so this is a analysis for HAL. So simple analysis. Above this range you are going to you buy and get a good target above this range. Your target will be 36.80. Okay, and the another stock that I'm going to discuss, that is MCX. I think you know that MCX I have discussed in the last video also. We have discussed that flag and this bullish flag and pull patterns above the breakout level of the 1520, or all the levels are same, intact in the same way. Only we will get only we will initiate our trade above the 1520 levels. Okay, we'll get a good target of 20 rupees, 1540, and above that 9, 15, 99, 80, 99, this range also can be traded. Okay, so this is simple analysis we have discussed in the last video also. So our stop loss will be today's low, or 1500 will be our stop loss, and we will get a very good up move in this area according to the flag and pole. If you see our target, it is coming around 1580, 1599, and 600 is in this range. Okay, so this is the analysis for MCX. We can play our levels are intact, we can play accordingly. And the last stocks which I'm going to discuss, that is Polycab in 15 minutes time frame. You can see that let's see first in the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we are seeing the profit booking pressure from the top, and in 15 minutes time frame, it is taking support in this trend area. Okay, so for tomorrow, this 3500 levels, this range, the closing of if this range, below this range, if it is close, right, we can get a very good target 3460. After the breakout of these levels, we can get a very good target in Polycab, and possible target will be, first target will be this range. Will get a very good direction move in Polycab, because a lot of selling pressure we are seeing in daily time frame. The next target will be 3416. Okay, with the stop loss of this high 3540 in this range, with the stop loss we will get a very good target in Polycab. Okay, so guys, that's all for this video. That's this analysis video, and I will share the result. And similarly, best of luck for tomorrow, and have a good day. Bye.